Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do spin it, spell it. You'll need to get a spin it and spell it worksheet, and then also next to the worksheets there's going to be spinners. You'll need a spinner, a worksheet, and a pencil to do this assignment. The first thing that you're going to do is you are going to put your paper down, put your spinner on the wheel, and spin for a number. The number that you spin, you'll look over here on the word list, and whatever number is next to that is the word that you're going to write. You'll see that I spin the number 9. So I look over here at 9 and I'm going to write the word filled. So I'm going to come back down to my worksheet and write the word filled. Then you're going to spin the spinner again, and whatever number you land on is the number word that you're going to write. I can't spin it in the picture, but if you have any questions, ask a friend. Go ahead and spin as many times for the number of boxes that you have. When you're done with spin it, spell it, go ahead and put your spinner away and put your worksheet back into the black holder and work on your must-do, may-do list. Have a great day, second graders.